Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the home button in your Chrome web browser really quickly. So let's get started. Now, as you can see, we're on my Chrome web browser and I see that, or we all see that home button here in the top left. So if I click on it, I will be taken back automatically to my home screen, which is Google. However, guys, if you accidentally remove the home button and don't see it anymore, there's a simple fix for this. What you want to do is head over to your browser settings. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right, select settings from that drop-down menu. And here inside your browser settings, take a look at that panel on the left-hand side and head over to appearance. And last but not least, guys, what you will need to do is enable the show home button feature here by switching it on to the right. So just for demonstration purposes, guys, if I turn it off, take a look at that home button here in the top left, it disappears. And if I switch it on again, it appears or is visible again. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.